Hi guys, these are the tree saplings that we're going to give out. These were donated to the 906 Tree Service from the Cogibbet County Conservation District. And these are white birch, and there's some yellow birch in here too. And so we're going to do a little demonstration today on how to plant these. We're giving these out to the students at the Ironwood area schools. And so I just want to do a short tutorial video on where and how to plant these trees. So if you'll notice, I'm right next to the house here, and that's something that you don't want to do. Make sure you don't plant them too close to a building. You should probably check with mom and dad before you plant them. And the other big thing is to stay away from power lines. If you put it underneath the power line, someone's going to have to go back there and take that tree out. So I'm just going to walk away from the building and away from the power line over here, and I'll just dig a small hole to show you how to demonstrate how to plant this. Now, these are saplings that have roots that have dirt on them, which makes them a little bit hardier than the bare root saplings. And so what I'm going to do is I come out here and I'll just dig a little hole in the ground, and then I'm going to size that hole up before I pull the plastic off, just to make sure. It doesn't have to be much of a hole for these things. And so that's about right. So I'm going to pull it out now that the hole is ready, and I'm just going to expose those roots. You'll see the roots in there, and then these have dirt around them too. So these are called plugs that they pull out. I'm going to set that back in the ground around that hole, and then just kind of step that dirt around a little bit. One big thing to watch for is to make sure that you get that, don't bury it too deep. So I'm looking for the surrounding turf or the terrain, the sod there, and I'm making sure that there's a little patch of moss that they put on the top of there for moisture, that's level with the surrounding ground. Our soils around here are usually pretty moist, and so you can water them every 2 or 3 days if you want, and if we're getting a lot of rain, you shouldn't even need to do that. So if it really dries out, you can go out there and water them because they're kind of fragile. You may want to put a little wire screen around it or something to keep the animals away. That's what they feed on, is those little buds. And go outside and plant your trees. Thanks, guys.